a great choice today with the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, USB connection, fog lamps, power windows, power door locks, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, alarm, privacy glass, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.